Now, if there's a lot of money in escrow and the broker is holding the funds, most likely the buyer is going to get an attorney and the seller is going to get an attorney. The broker has to make a decision. First of all, he has to get whatever amount it is and deposit it in the court system. And there's two documents he has to consider filing. One of them is called Bill of Interpleader. You may see it as Suit of Interpleader, which simply states, hey, Mr. Judge, I want nothing to do with this. In fact, I want to wash my hands clean and just walk away from the whole thing. Here's the deposit, and I'm done. The other one is called Declaratory Decree, which means I declare, hey, I work hard, my agent work hard, we're entitled to at least our commission. You can never ask for more than the commission, and that is called a declaratory decree. For more tips and tricks, please visit my website. I have a package there that is called Smash the Real Estate Exam for brokers and agents. You'll find that in the store. And if you want to schedule a private tutoring session with me, just call and click on the appointments and pick your time and date, and I'll be more than happy to help you. Many blessings to you.